Hello guys, and now we will test ship shore ESD. Now gas engineer connected the pendant from starboard side manifold. As you can see now inhibit, it means it's like out of control. Now I will unpress this inhibit button and our ESD system will be connected to this pendant. And that's all. Gazi, please activate. Pop, 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 pop. Very good, yeah, have. It's working, all good. Yes, guys, so simple, yeah? Just... Yeah, okay, reset. Thank you for your attention. After you reset the ESD as normal, and that's all. See you. And after, when we reset the ESD, it's all green, and you need to press inhibit, because when he will disconnect the pendant, it will again, if you not activate inhibit, it will activate ESD. That's why you inhibit the signal from pendant, and now he can remove. Gazi, disconnect please.
Okay.
And that's all. And now he disconnected, and as you can see, it's changed the color. This is remote ESD status. It's red, it means he disconnected. And initiated ESD, because it's inhibit, it's not working. See you. Also guys, I want to tell you how I test the high and low temperature of cargo tanks alarm. First of all, you see the settings is low is minus 52 and high is 45, and our present temperature is minus 42. I just change the settings and it should give the alarm, for example minus 40, and it gives the alarm, and you can see it's like test. In case the temperature will go to this level, it will give alarm. Yeah, and same for high. I just click minus 40, click, yep, no alarm, minus 42, yeah, and it's give alarm. Yeah, that's all, nothing special, but for inspection better to do. And also forgot to tell that after your testing, don't forget to put all settings back. You can check one by one all sensors for temperature, yeah, but don't forget to put back the settings, because if inspector will check and it will be like wrong readings, yeah, it can be observation as well, especially from siren. Okay, thank you. Who is interested for pressure test of cargo tank? Last time I shoot the video. We complete already all pre-cargo discharging tests. We check levels, ESD, also temperature, pressure, seal shaft of pumps, turn it, measure test of resistance for pumps motor, and all is ready now, guys. Bring the pressure calibrator and we finish. We're ready for discharging at South Korea. Thank you for your time. See you next time.